Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbie. Today I will tell you about the signal detection in the pharmacovigilance. The signal detection is the relationship between a adverse event and a drug. It is the new unlabeled adverse event and labeled event increased frequency and severity, then as new drug and drug food, then drug alcohol interactions, then product issue or medication error. Signal is identification of new at a risk population and new beneficial effect. The a signal suggested a possible causal association between the drug and adverse event. That is the relationship between adverse event and drug. Any new medical product to getting the market approval from any regulatory authority, then would have to show positive should have to go positive benefits, risk ratio, and it is that are the anticipated benefits for the intended indications should outweigh the risk or harmful effects from the use of the medical product interventions. The information on this benefit risk is reached at through years of experimenting and researching in the laboratories and animals and humans through preclinical and clinical studies. That is the phase 1 and phase 4. At the time of marketing approval, the product would have shown positive benefits risk ratio based on the human exposure in the clinical trial, and lack of long-term treatment effects, and limited concomitant medication exposure. The concomitant medication is the non-suspect drug. The clinical trial do not reach the power to identify all other adverse reaction and possible with a drug, and hence there is a limited information on the safety and efficacy of the medical product at the time of receiving marketing approval, and to ensure the benefit risk ratio of a product always stay positive. The marketing authorization holder, MAH, are expected to perform continuous review of all possible source to identify new safety information related to a product. The knowledge on the drugs safety profiles and pharmacological actions, then rare adverse event and clinical effectiveness in increase over the year following approval, and this is usually achieved by active surveillance by expedited reporting. The expedited reporting is a rapid reporting, that means quick reporting. and periodic report and signal detection activities with mutual exchange of safety data with the regulators, hence perform signal detections. And the signal source is the ICSR and periodic reports, then literature, and regulatory authorities, and regulatory submissions, epidemiological study, and pharmaceutical manufacturers, and then drug information centers. Thank you.